Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to request your account information on WhatsApp. So keep in mind, this only applies to your account information and to your settings. It does not apply to your chats, and it takes up to 3 days to get it ready and sent to you. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to tap on account. And here in the second section, the first option we have is request account info. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So here, where it says request sent, you have a button that says request account information. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and they will send a request, and you will see what date it will be ready for you, by what date. But if you delete your account or change your number, this request will be canceled. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.